As I look back on the years, memories of happiness and bitter tears. Through it all there was a common thread, there cannot be ignored. You were there, teaching me to be your servant, Lord. All along, your hand has been guiding me, shaping my life to be a beautiful song. All along, you led me through the days that you do would make me strong. Your love has been